Welcome, today I'm here with XIAOMI Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition here and a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face and we will see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock feature works so fast here. This is just really good result because we can unlock the device less than in 1 second, just a half of second. So I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than PIN code or passcode. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.